Hi dear friends, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the few previous year questions which are given in NEET. Especially the topic is on projectile motion, previous year questions of NEET. So watch the video till end without any skip. There is one problem is on board, it is there. Look here. A ball is projected with a velocity 10 meter per second at an angle of 60 degrees with the vertical direction. Its speed at highest point of its trajectory will be. See once again, a ball is projected with velocity 10 meter per second at an angle of 60 degrees with the vertical direction. Its speed at the highest point of its trajectory will be. Options are given 0, 5 root 3 meter per second, 5 meter per second, and D is the 10 meter per second. This is the question given in NEET 2022. So as for the problem, a ball is projected with velocity. So motion in a plane, it is the two-dimensional motion. The ball is projected with velocity 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, and it will make some angle. How much? It can make some angle 60 degrees with the vertical. So y-axis, and this is the x-axis. It can make how much angle? 60 degrees. Its speed at the highest point of its trajectory. Already we know that if any body can make some angle with the horizontal, that should be projected into the air, then that will be reaches the ground in the path of parabola. Clear? So you have to observe here. This is the how much angle is total? 90 degrees. In that it is, if it is 60 degrees, this one is the 60 degrees. Then the remaining portion is what? 30 degrees. That means what? 90 minus 60. So this angle how much? 90 minus 60. That's why in the given problem, the body will make some angle here how much? 60 degrees with the vertical. Then obviously with the horizontal, the angle is here now 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So we are going to follow the x-axis because this is the horizontal displacement, nothing but range. Clear? So that's why here what you have to find out? We have to find out the speed at the highest point. Speed at the highest point. So at this point, this is the maximum height. At this point we have, this is the Vy and this is the here Vx. Here Vx is the velocity in the path of trajectory and Vy is out of the path. That's why here Vy is 0. That's why here simply at that point what you have to write? Vx is equals to u cos theta. Vx is equals to u cos theta. That's why here simply Vx is equals to u, how much velocity given? 10. So 10 and angle how much? 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. Then obviously Vx is equals to 10 of here cos 30 means what? 1 by, yes, what is? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So you have to remember these values. 2 cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So you have to remember these values. Then obviously you can substitute the values. Vx is equals to 10 of, that is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. Therefore Vx is equals to 5 root 3 meter per second. So this is the answer. What it is? Velocity of projectile in the direction of its trajectory, and among the options B is the right one. See the next question. It was given in NEET 2021. Again same on projectile. A particle is moving in a circle of radius r with uniform speed, taking a time t to complete one revolution. If this particle were projected with the same speed at an angle theta to the horizontal, the maximum height attained by it equal to 4r. The angle of projection theta is then given by. See once again, a particle moving in a circle of radius r with uniform speed taking a time t, capital T, to complete one revolution. If this particle were projected with the same speed at an angle theta to the horizontal, the maximum height attained by it equal to 4r. The angle of projection theta is given by. Options are given. Theta is equals to tan inverse of 2g t square by pi square r whole to the power of 1 by 2, and B is theta is equals to cos inverse of gt square by pi square r whole to the power of 1 by 2, and C theta is equals to cos inverse of pi square r by gt square whole to the power of 1 by 2, and D theta is equals to sin inverse of pi square r by gt square whole to the power of 1 by 2. So these are the options. Dear students, what we are saying, a particle is moving in a circle. This is a circle is there having some radius r. Clear? So particle is here, that should be making rotation like this. Clear? For one radiation it is taking the time t. Then obviously the distance traveled by is what? Nothing but circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, and I am going to say the velocity of the particle is here u. A particle is moving with velocity u, and for one rotation that completes the distance how much? 2 pi r. Then obviously what we know, velocity is equals to displacement by time. Displacement or distance by time. Distance by time. Here 2 pi r by t. Then u is equals to what, right? 2 pi r. Here what is? U is equals to 2 pi r by t. Clear? Simply velocity is equals to distance by time. Velocity is u and distance travel is 2 pi r, and u is here what is 2 pi r by t. With the same velocity, here the projectile is projected with some angle theta. With the same velocity, the projectile is projected like this. Then the condition what was given, h maximum is equals to 4r. H maximum is equals to 4r. Then we have to find out the angle of projection. Angle of projection, that is the given question. Clear? A particle is there that is revolving with velocity u, and should be travels distance 2 pi r for one rotation, and u is the velocity and r is the radius. It's very clear. With the same velocity, here the projectile is projected with some angle theta. Then we have to find out the theta value by using the relation h max is equals to 4r. So that is a given problem. So we have to check among the 4 options which one is the correct. Clear? So what I am going to say, u is equals to what? 2 pi r by t. So here 2 pi r is distance by time, that is what? Speed. Clear? And from that here what write? H maximum is equals to 4r was given. So that means what? 4r is equals to h maximum formula is what? U square sin square theta by 2g, it is there. 4r is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g. Then 4r is equals to u square, what is u value? Here 2 pi r. 2 pi r by t whole square into sin square theta by 2g. That means what? 4r is equals to what you write? 4 pi square r square by t square into sin square theta by 2g. Here 4 cancel, r square cancel, then what you have? T square. Here one it is there, 1 square into t square into 2g. T square into 2g by r is equals to sin square theta. So already here pi square also there, pi square r into sin square theta. So here very simply I am going to write again. What you have? 1 is equals to here pi square into r into sin square theta by here what write? T square into 2g. Then right here t square into 2g is equals to pi square r sin square theta. From that what write? T square 2g by pi square r is equals to sin square theta. Then sin theta means what here? Sin theta is equals to what, right? 2t square g by pi square r whole to the power of 1 by 2. Sin theta is equals to 2 square g by pi square r whole to the power of 1 by 2. That implies theta is equals to sine inverse of 2g t square by pi square r. So this is the answer, children. So here we have once we check the options here. Okay, so dear students, it is sine inverse. So sine inverse of 2g t square pi square r whole to the power of 1 by 2. That's why here, so among the four options, the option is the right one. Theta is equals to sine inverse of 2g t square pi square r. It was given in NEET 2014. Different question, watch very carefully. A projectile is fired from the surface of the earth with velocity of 5 meters per second and an angle theta with the horizontal. Another projectile fired from the another planet with velocity of 3 meters per second at the same angle follows a trajectory which is identical with the trajectory of the projectile fired from the earth. The value of acceleration due to gravity on the planet is in meter per second square, and giving g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. See once again, a projectile is fired from the surface of the earth. So it is the earth surface. From that, here one projectile is projected like this. So by making some angle theta, clear. So that should be going like this. Okay, and with velocity, what much velocity? 5 meter per second. This is what on earth surface. And next we have another planet is there. Again we are projecting the another projectile by taking the same velocity, and theta also same. Here with velocity, what is u is equals to how much was given? 3 meter per second. This is the earth and this is the planet. So one projectile is projected with angle theta with velocity 5 meter per second on earth, and there is another projectile is there from the another planet is projected, and that should be projected with the angle theta, and both are having the identical trajectories. That means both are indicates the parabolic path. On earth surface it should be parabolic, that's why on other planet also same, because it was given same identical paths. Now here the value of g is on earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Now we have to find out the value of g on planet. That is the question. See once again, there are two projectiles are there. One is projected from the earth surface and next one is projected from the planet surface with the same angular projection, and their paths are identical paths. Both are represents the parabolic paths, but velocity of projection is both are different. One is projected with the velocity 5 meter per second, next one is 3 meter per second. Now what you have to find out? We want to find out the value of g on the planet. That is the question here. Clear? So both are the identical paths, or both are identically trajectories. Then obviously what we know, for a projectile we have formula is there, y is equals to ax minus bx square. That means y is equals to tan theta x minus g by 2u square cos square theta into x square. This is the equation represents the parabolic path. What is parabolic path? Clear? So here now, if you can take this term, here we have g value is there. What was given? The angular projection is same. And 2 is the constant. That's why here simply we can write g by u square is equals to constant. In this case, g by u is constant. Then what write simply here? g1 by g2 is equals to here u1 square by u2 square, because g is proportional to here u square. Clear? Then obviously here g1 is what? Nothing but on earth surface. That is what? 9.8 by g2 is equals to u1 square with speed what is 5 whole square by 3 square. Clear? From that what you can write? g2 is equals to what you can write? Or g2 or g dash, anything what may be. g2 is equals to what right here? g2 is equals to 9.8 into 3 square by 25 or 5 square. Then g2 is equals what? 9.8 into 9 by 25. So 98 into 9. 88.2. So 88.2 8 point by 25. So 88 to 25. 3s are here. What is 15? 75. So that's why here, so 3.5 we will get, 3.5 will get, so that's why here A is the right option. 3.5 meter per second square, that is the value of G on the another planet. Okay, dear students, thank you for watching. If you can understand this one, like, share, comment the video and share my channel to your friends who require it. Thank you for watching.